despite which your leader, Rahul Gandhi, sent 5 of his leaders to join hands with the Pakistan government to celebrate my arrest only because I interviewed him in 2014.
No, please.
Because I interviewed him in 2014 and he could not face my questions. Because he could not face my questions in 2014 because it ruined his PR image. So he sent 5 people to justify my arrest. And you will come and say today that you want to stand for journalists. On what basis can you say that? Please continue. Please continue.
Look what happens. 10 seconds.
Please continue.
10 seconds? Okay. Now, when the word democratic is there, you know what's happening in this country, and take your own case too. The journalist should have freedom, and it's very important part of the 4th pillar of democracy, and it's in the preamble. Now, without the word secularism, what can happen? That's the first question. The second thing, we are not talking about how it was brought in. We are talking about what does secularism mean. Secularism, I'm reading the definition given in in the dictionary, Oxford Dictionary, the principle of separation of the state from the religious institution. He believes that secularism means no discrimination against anybody in the name of religion, be it a Muslim or a Hindu or a Christian. In this country, we know what is happening in the last several years, specifically in the last decade, religion, how people are being discriminated. Be it a Hindu in some states, be it a Islam in some states and throughout India, or Christians in some states too. This is what we are talking about. That's why the Constitution is not a constant thing. It has to evolve with the time.
Okay, I take your view. I'll get Prafull to counter. Ratan Sharda, with respect, let me get Prafull to counter because he has not opened his innings. One minute. Prafull will counter. Prafull will counter now. Prafull Ketkar, please. Prafull Ketkar.
Can I tell you?
Sir, can he counter you? I'm taking the debate forward. Prafull Ketkar is countering.
Before I start, I continue to be editor of Organizer. I'm not still yet.
Sorry. Editor of Organizer, Prafull Ketkar, RSS prominent journalist and a good friend of mine. Sorry.
Arnab, this itself is a wrong proposition. Quoting Oxford Dictionary. Quoting Oxford Dictionary to justify secularism in India is an insult to the constitution makers, because they categorically said that this European idea of separating church from state is not applicable to India. And if Indian concept of Sarva Dharma Samabhava or Sarva Pantha Samabhava, that is equal respect for all religions, is there, then we have been practicing this in ancient times. So we don't need this word. Then how did this word brought in?
Please
give me one simple answer. Please give me one simple answer. From 1949 to 1976, there was no word called secularism in Indian Constitution. To make the politics communal, the secularism word was brought in to interpret it as minority appeasement. Please give me an answer. From 1949 to 1976, we were more secular in the state conduct, in our political conduct, or after bringing this word, we have become more secular or more communal? Give me simple answer.
Yeah, okay. So